Okay, what's up guys? It's Mike from Mike and Curtis, back here with another video, and today we're just doing a quick little unboxing. We got the Apple Pencil Generation 2 for the iPad, and so up top you just get your Apple Pencil, what it looks like, Apple and then Pencil, nothing up there, just says the Apple logo on Pencil again, and then on the back is a little bit of information. It shows you where to charge it, and then hopefully this should be easy. Yeah, just pull off that little tab. What makes everything super simple to open now. And then all we should have to do is let's see. Oh, there we go. So it just opens and they give you a little pull tab right there. Make things super easy. That opens up like that. Then you get some paperwork, which we're not going to go through. And then you get the pencil itself, which I can't wait to go home and actually start using. Again, this is the second generation one. And it's even in a little piece of plastic. And then there's how you charge it, just setting that side down onto the iPad, and it'll charge wirelessly and connect. Yeah, it looks a little bit different than the first one. I'll have to go home and compare, but I can't wait to use because I love that it charges magnetically and it'll just stick to the side of the iPad. But yeah, so that is the Apple Pencil Generation 2. I hope you all enjoyed. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next